many foods can you name in 60 seconds? Probably a lot. Pizza, chicken fingers, French fries, corn, and other vegetables. But there are thousands of other foods across the world. And today, we're gonna learn how to make many of them. So let's take a look at what the Kool kids have in store for you.
Potatoes and pasta, pasta and potatoes, a little marinara, and you feel okie dokie. This is from Italy. It sounds a little hokey, but when you have a bite, you'll scream holy gnocchi. Italian food's so good, Mom backs a brownie mix. 8 tablespoons of butter, I'll share it with my mother. 2 large eggs, 1 cup of flour, different kinds of nuts, get ready to devour. Biscotti with brownies, brownies with biscotti, let it bake at 350, dessert will taste so nifty.
Let's go. Let's go.
Little big chefs, what we cooking next, come on. I wish I was in Thailand, I love Thai food. Bangkok's the capital, I'm in a pad Thai mood. First you boil rice noodles, eggs and veggie oil, a little bit of garlic, and water add some soy. Mom said pepper's good, brown sugar, lime juice. I need that fish sauce, is it a tasty boost? We'll stir it all together, no matter the weather. It's yummy to my tummy, I said yummy to my tummy.
Let's go. Let's go.
Little big chefs, what we cooking next, come on.
Let's go. Let's go.
Little big chefs, what we cooking next, come on. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, what does that spell, guys? Chicken, chicken. I love chicken, especially when it's red. Roasted to perfection, hungry while in bed. Chicken tandoori, it's from India. Dad said, Sneha, here's how you make it, girl. First you need chicken, then you'll add yogurt, O-L-double-G, onions, lime, garlic, and ginger. Masala with green chili, then add some queso powder. With just a pinch of salt, after baking, I devour.
Let's go. Let's go.
Little big chefs, what we cooking next, come on. Always ask adults to help you with your food. Today I made a crepe instead of a pancake. It's the French dish, hashtag really easy. Flour, eggs, and milk, butter, sugar. Mix it together, pour it in a pan. A couple seconds later, treasure in your hand. It's treasure in your hand. So this is pizza, pizza margherita, also from Italy, and look, it's so pretty. All you need is dough, bake it until it's red, mozzarella sauce and basil, then slide it on your pan. Pop it in the oven for roughly 30 minutes. When it comes out, you'll be all up in it. So ready to eat, you'll be braving the heat. A pie so good it doesn't even need meat. Hey, hey, hey. Little big chefs, what we cooking next, come on. I like to keep it simple, I like to eat healthy. My dad said health is wealth, and I'm feeling kinda wealthy. A bowl of fruits so simple, just get your favorite fruits, toss them in a bowl, and you'll be on a roll. You can add some nuts, or eat it with some yogurt, but I just like mine plain. You won't hear me complain.
You like yours plain?
Yeah! I can show you better than I can explain.
Learning is fun. Buy a cookbook and get your cooking done. A grown-up should help. One less thing to say. Try a new recipe every single day. Hey!
Little big chefs, what we cooking next? Come on!
Cooking is an art, and there's an artist inside of all of us. So step in the kitchen with an adult you trust and make magic with cooking. We'll see you next time with Mr. Travels and the Kool Kids here at the Kool School.